I'm not trying to be mean, but your Spanish sounds embarrassing. And I'm going to explain why. Not wrong, not bad, embarrassing. Like, native speakers understand you, but they're cringing. And no, it's not your accent. It's not your grammar. It's something way worse. It's because you sound like a textbook, and nobody talks like a textbook. Most Spanish learners speak like this. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estoy muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? Perfect. Also, nobody talks like that. Real Spanish sounds more like, hey, todo bien, todo tranqui, bien, normal. Your Spanish isn't wrong, it's just unnatural, and natives feel that immediately. You overpronounce everything. You pronounce every letter, like your life depends on it. Real Spanish eats letters. Example, cansado, cansado, pescado, pecado, para, pa, estoy, toy. When you say everything perfectly, you sound like Google Translate. You say, yo quiero ir al supermercado. And Dominicans already finished 3 conversations. Speed is not optional. Speed is part of the language. If you speak slow, you don't sound clear. You sound unsure. You say, eso es interesante. But natives say, eso está heavy. Eso está nítido. Eso está duro. Your words are correct, but they are not alive. Here's the truth. Your Spanish sounds embarrassing because it doesn't sound human. It sounds polite, careful, controlled, academic. But real Spanish is emotional, fast, messy, alive. Dominican Spanish. ¿Qué tú estás haciendo? Textbook. Eso no me importa. Dominican. ¿Qué si yo qué? Textbook. Él piensa que es mejor que los demás. Dominican. Él se cree gente. Textbook. Él causó el problema y ahora finge que no hizo nada. Dominican. Tiró la piedra y escondió la mano. See the difference? One sounds like a book. The other sounds like life. People don't care if your Spanish is perfect. They care if it feels real. You can make grammar mistake and sound fluent. If you sound robotic, no amount of grammar will save you. If you ever felt like natives understand you, but it still trick you like a learner, this is why. If you want a Spanish that sounds real, not robotic, subscribe. Be honest. Does your Spanish sound more like a textbook or real life? Comment embarrassing if this exposed you.